guys? Welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be opening up a l.o.l. surprise glitter globe. So let's get started, guys. For the beginning, we have a girl say a little cute glitter girl saying unbox me. So here's the arrow. So let's open up the zipper. Sorry, it's a bit hard. Oh my god. So I kind of opened a bit of it, and as you guys can see, there's some glitter. So I just need to open the rest of this. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. Oh, okay, guys, we got a clue. Okay, it's over here. I think it's Dancing Bell. Let's see. The jingle bells. Oh, it's over there. It says it says jingle bells. Okay, I'm sorry you guys can't see it, but it says grooving to the jingle bells. Over there. Okay, we don't need to waste time doing that, but here's our first clue. This over here, because we don't need it. Over there, whatever. Okay, now we've got another layer, and it says same thing, l.o.l. surprise glitter globe. Oh, found our little arrow pointing to the zipper. Now let's open it. Sorry guys, it's a bit hard. Oh, there you go. Okay guys, we got halfway through it again. I'm sorry, I'm not an expert at opening these, okay? So, oh, I see a bunch of glitter here, so let's open up. Open it more. 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. Sorry about that. Someone was knocking. Anyway, I'm just gonna set this aside. And we've got something here. What is this? Okay, we've got something here. I want to know what this is. Is it like just a sticker? Am I supposed to put it off? Okay, there is glitter. I know something about glitter. It is not easy to get off. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna go get a plate to put the glitter in, or like open it, because I feel like glitter's gonna boom. So be right back, guys. Hey guys, I just grabbed this pan because of the glitter and stuff. I don't want it to, I don't know, mess up or something, because gotta be clean. Sorry, just putting that in the trash. Okay, now we have our ball, and I'm kind of scared to open it because I really love glitter, and I really don't want the glitter to just pop out, like go away. And okay, let's open it. Whoa! Oh my god, guys! Looks like, okay, looks like the glitter is like in the inside, so it won't really do anything bad. But I I love glitter, so let's just put this pan over here. Okay, I love glitter, so that's what I got. So, okay. Oh, sorry guys, 1 second. Okay guys, sorry, the camera just moved. Okay, so we've got this and what came, just gonna close it. So, put it aside because we might need it. Hey, wow, we got this foil or whatever it's called, has some blue stars, I guess, and it has some stuff in it, so just dump that all out. Put this aside because it really looks good. I mean, my friend's birthday's today, and I'm gonna use it for something, because you don't have to throw this in the garbage. You might have a good chance of using it for something, I don't know. Anywho, less about that and more about this l.o.l doll surprise. So we are gonna start with this. It's just something that tells you directions for the thingy. Read that after. Okay, so I'm also gonna open this to see, because like I don't know which one I'm gonna get. So over here it says March to the Beat and Glittery Dreaming. That's cute. I actually love glitter and I love this set, mostly the angel. Wow. Okay. Wow, these are actually pretty cute. I like this one. The one with the, Sleigh Babe. That's it, Sleigh Babe. Oh my God, they all look adorable, guys. Okay, less about that, guys. We have to move on. Come on. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the doll, so we keep it last. Okay, just open this little blindfold bag. Or whatever. Oh, okay. Oh, we've got a stand for like the l.o.l doll, I guess. Put that over here. Sorry, guys. We will put that over here. And put these aside. Yeah. This feels like a bottle. I don't know. Anyway, let's open the next one. Wow. We've got 2 cute shoes. Wow, they're glittery. I'll give you one of them. There you go. We've got some cute shoes, glittery. They're like high heels, I guess. I'm sorry, guys, you can't see it. Hey, there you go. They're very cute. They're like cutie high heels. Anyway, we'll put these aside. The hold, wherever it is. Okay, here it is. Put that over there. Put these aside. This trash aside. Now, we will open the next bag. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, the next full bag. I think they're the shoes. Yeah, they're probably. Oh no, not the shoes, because we just had the shoes. Maybe accessories. I don't know. Alright guys, I just had to set up the camera again. Okay, put the garbage aside and let's see what we got. Oh, what is this? Wow, I don't know what these are. They could be bracelets, maybe, but yeah, I think they're bracelets. Maybe bracelets, yeah, fluffy white bracelets. That's what it looks like, yeah. Okay, put these aside with the shoes and put the garbage aside, and we'll open, I'm just gonna put that back, our next box. Okay, let's open up this thing. Sorry guys, it's a bit hard. Wow, I actually like these bags. They're pretty, the blindfold bags are pretty cute. Okay, wow, we've got ourselves, I think it's a headband. Yeah, pretty sure it's a headband. A black, glittery, cute headband. I don't know. I'm starting to think we might, let's see. Okay. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, I think we've got, I kind of think we've got Prizzy. I don't know, maybe. But she's very cute. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe we've got Sleepy. Maybe because of the shoes. I don't know. Anyway, guys, let's put it back. 1 second, guys. Okay, now got our second last blindfolded bag. Open it up, and we've got a cute black, white, red bottle. Kind of reminds me of the Canadian flag, except for the black. I think it pretty much matches with the shoes. Yeah, it matches with the shoes. Okay, anyway, guys, not to waste time. Let's not waste time. And we're gonna open up the last blindfolded bag. I'm pretty sure this blindfolded bag will be our doll. Let's open it up, guys. Okay. Oh, wow. So there we've got a Sleigh Babe. Yeah, we've got Sleigh Babe. She has kind of see-through glittery hair, not really. She's got some white makeup, and she's chewing her gum. Wow, I don't think the gum gets out. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, the gum gets out, guys. There she is. Put the gum back in. Sorry, Sleigh Babe. Might want to keep chewing your gum. Oh. Sorry, guys. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, well, I couldn't put it on, and she doesn't have clothes. So, I'm pretty sure I'm missing a blindfold bag. Let's see if I'm missing a blindfold bag. Wow. I'm not missing a blindfold bag. Guys, something's wrong. Our doll didn't come with clothes. Wow. Wonder how I'm gonna get her clothes. Maybe. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Went and grabbed some icy water, just because I think maybe she color changes her clothes. I don't know, but guys, I'm pretty scared this might be a rip-off because I don't know where the clothes are. Wait, guys, I found our last blindfold bag. Oh my god, I have no idea how I didn't see this. Okay, let's move the water away for now, and open up our last blindfold bag, which has to be the clothes. Oh my god, guys, look, it's the outfit. Wow, it is so cute. Wow. Looks like we did get Sleigh Babe after all. Okay, now let's see if we put all her stuff together and see how she is. I put her clothes on, and before we start putting her shoes on and stuff, let's dip her into cold water and see what she does. I think she color changes though. Ooh, she doesn't color change, guys. Okay, nothing. So let me just see the thing again. Oh, she spit. Yeah, guys. She spits. Yep, there you go. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. And bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, bye-bye.